So I thought we'd take a quick look at this mid-autumn harvest table, and it's looking pretty good. Still plenty of summer fruits on it, but that won't last for very long, just a few weeks. So obviously we've got loads of potatoes, we've got loads and loads of peppers, and I think we've got 2 more weeks of harvesting this sort of quantity of peppers. Cleared the first succession of fennel, and we've got 1 more succession of fennel still in the ground. We're doing loads of dehydrating of apples and pears. We'll have an abundant supply basically until we've got apples and pears again fresh off the trees. Yeah, onions and garlic and everything obviously just from the store. Those are just the last few of the aubergines, a few turnips there. First pick of the parsnips, looking okay. There were some bigger ones obviously, but those are the only ones I could get out of the ground without a fork. Got a couple of more calabreses still to come, and a few, I think like 4 cauliflowers still to come. We're picking those from what was the onion bed, so I'm really pleased that we managed to squeeze those in. And I'll soon be replanting that bed with garlic. First pick there of the winter carrots, so pleased with those. I just picked 1 carrot from each of 5 rows, and yeah, they're just looking lovely. And we've got 3 weeks of the summer carrots left. They're a bit longer obviously. I'm using these smaller ones of those for salad carrots. That's an example of some of the apples that we're still picking there, some more of the apples we're picking, and the last of the pears, which will be probably dehydrating now. Yacon, starting to pick a tub of yacon a week, and yeah, that is looking really gorgeous. Not sure what's underneath here actually. Oh, just a bit of parsley, leeks, salad onions, and cucumbers. So we've finished all the cucumbers in the polytunnel now. These are just the ones from the greenhouse. We've still got the ones in the conservatory as well. The ones in the greenhouse are slowing down now because it's getting cold at night. Like 5 or 6 degrees, something like that probably. And that's too cold really for cucumbers, so they will pretty much finish in the greenhouse, and we'll just rely on the ones in the conservatory. But that will be enough just for Debbie and I. We're not giving any cucumbers away now. So we've got loads and loads of winter squash, lots of lovely spinach for cooking, all sorts of different brassicas. These are my favourite, the pups off the plants, and I actually like these little pups quite a lot more than the actual red cabbage, but I still don't mind red cabbage. Got some nice savoys. Had to pick this one because, as you can see, just a little bit of rot starting on those leaves. Beetroot, stacks of beetroot. We have beetroot all year round. Last of the polytunnel cherry tomatoes and the cooking tomatoes. So you can see there we hardly had any greens this year. Almost everything ripened off. So pretty happy with that. And there's the lettuces. So I'm just going to make up those lettuces with all the other salad ingredients. And then I'm done. As you can probably tell, I'm feeling a bit weary and full of cold. And I'm pleased that this is all sorted. Debbie's going to pack it up for all the different people that we feed, mostly our immediate family in the local area, and just a couple of friends. So with that, this is the Outgrow channel. My name's Steve. I'll see you soon.